Got an unevenly worn boot heel? Here's how to restore it with Stormsure Flexible Repair Adhesive. Start by keying grooves into the surface of the heel. This helps the adhesive grip and bond securely. Next, clean the heel thoroughly and brush away any dust or debris. Now, grab some sellotape or box tape and tape a ridge around the heel. This forms a barrier to stop the adhesive from running before it has cured. With the shoe upright and stable, apply Stormsure Flexible Repair Adhesive directly to the damaged area, or if mixing beforehand, into a container that you don't mind getting glue on. We are mixing in Stormcure Accelerator at a 1:5 ratio to reduce this repair time by 90%. Let the glue naturally fill any dips or uneven spots. Then use a spatula to spread it smoothly and evenly across the heel. It's crucial the shoe stays flat and level while the adhesive cures. Leave it undisturbed for 48 hours to ensure a strong, durable bond that can handle walking pressure. Or if mixed with Stormcure Accelerator, leave for 1 to 2 hours. Once fully cured, peel off the tape and, if needed, use scissors and sandpaper to tidy up the edges. Your heel is now level, reinforced, and ready to go thanks to Stormsure.